Mr. Chair, he doesn't reply to my question. Ang tanong ko ho, kung kasama sa plano. Kung hindi kasama sa plano, ba't hindi natin sabihin ngayon na hindi kasama sa plano?
So, His Excellency, again, the question is the 20 pesos viable as a campaign promise of the President?
Mr. Chair, madali lang namang sagutin. Ang problema, umiiwas sa sagot.
Using the program that you have.
As the President has also said, that is our aspiration, Mr. Chair.
Ang aspiration, ang tanong ko kung kasama sa plano. Aspiration, kahit kami mag-aspire ako ng 15 pesos kung gusto ko. Pero ang tanong ko, dahil campaign promise ito, nakasama doon sa roadmap, nakasama ito sa plano natin, na dapat self-sufficient tayo by 2028. Ito ang,
That is our goal post when it comes to reducing the cost, Mr. Chair.
hindi kaya o hindi.
I cannot answer that, Mr. Chair. Whether
Kung hindi I mean, kung hindi 2028, kailan? At least nakasama sa plano. Kasi obvious naman hindi kasama sa plano. Ang point ko lang, wag tayong magbulahan dito, Mr. Chair. Kung wala, di wala.
I think the statement of Congressman Kataman is right, because the one who advised the President are the officials, and if you promised him 20 pesos per kilo, maybe you're misleading the President.
We never promised.
That's why, is your plan to make rice of self-sufficiency, I'm just referring to questions, this plan of yours, and then we're funding it, will this mitigate at least at what percentage or price can we go? Is it 25, 30 pesos when we are self-sufficient?
Mr. Chair, to be honest, we never discuss about those things that you're asking, Mr. Chair, with the President.
Yes, but when the President tells you that public this, you are required to create a plan to make sure that at least the price of rice should go down, as already been explained by our chairperson. And the Speaker has already identified a couple of sources, even going himself to other countries like Vietnam to secure our buffer stock and all of this. So please include this in your plan so that we can answer our Congressman Hataman. Congressman Hataman, is it? Congressman Mujib? Congressman Mujib Hataman?
So, walang sagot doon, Mr. Chair. So, Mr. Chair, hindi kasama sa plano yung pagbaba ng presyo ng bigas by 2028.
Reduction, that is included, but not the 20 pesos, Mr. Chair.
Ano yung target natin na price by 2028? Boss, Mr. Chair, pwede nyo namang sabihin kung hindi kasama, pati kasama para matapos ang usapan. Mas mahirap yung magbubulahan tayo dito.
Can I ask our economist, because Mr. Chair,
please recognize.
I do not know, Mr.
Please.
Sir, considering that, there are so many factors
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Hindi mo kailangan gamitan ng economics sa akin. Napakasimple lang po ng tanong ko. Ang tanong ko, dahil nagplano ang DA ng self-sufficiency plan program ng rice, kasama ba yung pagbaba ng presyo? Huwag ng 20, huwag nating
kasama po yung pagbaba.
Kung kasama yung pagbaba,
po
magkano by 2028?
yun po yung mahirap na sagutin kasi nga,
So therefore, hindi mo kasama.
hindi, kasama po yung pagbaba. Opo.
Anong pagbaba?
Actually, dun sa RTA po, yung rice tarification law, if the same environment would have prevailed, we were really hoping to, have stable prices between 27 and 32 sa regular milled rice.
By 2028.
Opo. But actually,
All things being the same, diba?
All things being the same. Kaya lang, napaka-volatile po kasi ang environment. So, kaya napakahirap pong
Ma'am, alam naman natin pag nagpaplano, gagamitan natin ng SOTE. Kino-consider natin yung external pati internal factor.
Yes po.
At least maintindihan natin. Ang punto ko lang naman kung kasama sa plano.
Kasama naman po.
Yun lang naman Kung
Okay.
kasama sa plano, between 27 to 30, between 27 to 30, yun yung target natin by 2028.
Opo.
50 pesos lang naman, pwedeng sabihin, hindi namin matarget by 2028, pero kaya namin by 2040.